Have you ever noticed a small icon that appears next to the website name in your browser tab? That tiny icon is called a favicon, short for favorite icon. It is a small image that identifies a website and helps you recognize it quickly when you have multiple tabs open. Today, we will explore everything you need to know about favicons, including their history, types, sizes, and how to implement them on your website. Favicons have an interesting history. In 1999, Internet Explorer 5 introduced favicons to the web, making them 16 by 16 pixels in the ICO format only. By 2003, support for PNG format was added, which offered better compression and transparency options. In 2007, Apple introduced touch icons with the iPhone, allowing websites to have custom icons on mobile home screens. Finally, in 2017, SVG favicon support was introduced, making icons scalable and resolution-independent across all devices. Favicons come in several file formats. The ICO format can contain multiple sizes in one file and has universal browser support, but it is an older format. PNG format offers transparency support and good compression, though it only works on modern browsers. SVG format is scalable, stays sharp on all screens, and has the smallest file size, but has limited browser support. GIF format provides support for older browsers and allows animation, but has limited color options. Each format has its advantages, so choose based on your browser compatibility needs. Different platforms require different favicon sizes. 16 by 16 pixels is the standard browser tab display. 32 by 32 pixels is used for high DPI and Retina screens. 48 by 48 pixels works for Windows taskbar icons. 96 by 96 pixels is for Google TV and smart devices. 192 by 192 pixels is required for Android Chrome home screens. 512 by 512 pixels is used for progressive web applications. 120 by 120 pixels is for iPhone home screens, 152 by 152 pixels for iPad, and 180 by 180 pixels for high-resolution iPhones. You can create multiple sizes to ensure your favicon looks great everywhere. Adding a favicon to your website is straightforward using HTML. The most basic method is to use a link tag with the rel attribute set to icon and href pointing to your favicon ICO file. For PNG format, add a link tag with rel equals icon, type equals image/PNG, and href pointing to your PNG file. For SVG format, use a link tag with rel equals icon, type equals image/svg plus XML, and href pointing to your SVG file. These link tags should be placed in the head section of your HTML document, between the opening and closing head tags. For more advanced favicon implementation, you can use additional meta tags. The Apple Touch icon link tag allows you to specify a custom icon for iPhone and iPad home screens, improving your website's appearance on Apple devices. You can also specify multiple sizes by adding a sizes attribute to your link tag, defining different icon files for different screen resolutions. Finally, you can add a meta tag with name equals theme-color to define the color used in the browser's address bar on mobile devices, which enhances your branding across all platforms. A complete favicon implementation in your website should include all necessary link tags in the head section. Start with the basic favicon ICO file for universal browser compatibility, then add an SVG version for modern browsers. Include an Apple Touch icon for iOS devices and optionally add a theme color meta tag. Store all your favicon files in the root directory of your project, alongside your index HTML file. This ensures all browsers and devices can find and display your favicon correctly. When creating and implementing favicons, follow these best practices. Keep your designs simple and recognizable, using bold shapes and high-contrast colors that work well at small sizes. Always use a square format with a 1:1 aspect ratio. Use SVG format first whenever possible, as it provides the best quality and smallest file size. Remember that browsers cache favicons, so after updating your favicon, perform a hard refresh by pressing Ctrl plus F5 to see the changes immediately. These practices ensure your favicon looks professional and represents your brand effectively across all platforms.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.